Okay guys, this is a video for a customer. This is one of the Uniden 78 LTXs that I put up on the website. This was the fully loaded one with variable power and echo. This one went out to Ronald, and when he got the radio he said that it was only doing 4 watts bird and it did not have a variable in it. So I told him to send it back, and if that was the case, you know, we'd obviously make it right with him. But I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this is the one that I actually did the initial test on. But we're going to run through it here and make sure everything is good to go with it, and then I'll contact Ronald and see what he wants to do. But your echo is right here. There's the dual control for the echo, so the RF gain is disabled, and the variable power is supposed to be right here. So as you can see, the box is labeled VP for variable power, ECO for echo. So we'll get into it here. We'll see what the output is, and you know, we'll go from there. So anyway, that being said, let's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and key the mic. There's the variable power. It's all the way down. 50 watt slug. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gradually roll the variable power up. Okay. So now, as you can see, the variable power is wide open. $7 watts. So Ronald said that the radio wouldn't do over 4 watts average, 4 watts bird. Obviously it's keying 7 watts. So it's definitely doing over 4 watts average, since it's capable of dead keying, you know, 7 to 8 watts. We'll give audio into it. Audio 10 watts average, middle scale. Peak kit is not turned on. Audio. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the variable, turn it all the way down. There you go. It's all the way down. So your SWR cal is your variable. Show you what it swings all the way down. Audio still almost 10 watts. From less than a 1 watt dead key. So somebody might say, well, let's see it with a different slug, make sure it reads the same. Give me just a second and I will go get my 100 watt slug, my 100 watt element. We'll put it in there and we'll test it with it. Give me a second and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. I've got another slug in here. Nothing's changed. Coax going right to the meter there. I just took my 50 watt out and put a 100 watt in. So we can check it out and see what it does. I'm just going to turn the variable all the way up for testing on this element. That's wide open. So now we're looking at the bottom scale. The peak kit's turned off. So that shows about a 6 watt dead key. So we're going to know this slug is going to be a little bit tighter. Audio, that first large hash mark is 10 watts. Audio. So we're showing about 9 watts average rather than 10 on the 50 watts. So it's showing around, what was it showing? 10% tighter or so. Now we'll go to PEP. So we're still looking at the bottom scale. 40 will be 40 watts, 60 will be 60 watts. Audio check, audio check, audio check, audio check, audio check, 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 audio. And it shows about 45 PEP. Again, this is measured on bird, so if you put it on dosy, it may read less on peak power. But this radio's working the way it's supposed to. I don't know what kind of meter, you know, Ron's using, if he's got a bird, if there might be something wrong with it, or what's up. But if I had another meter, I'd gladly put it on another bird meter. I've got another bird meter coming to you know, I could go as far as hook it up on it, but this is the meter I use for everything. So this radio, there's no way that this radio is only doing 4 watts bird, because it's dead keying 7 to 8 watts. So if it dead keys that much, you know, obviously it's putting out more than 4 watts average. So that being said, like I said, I'm not trying to put my business deals out there for everybody, but when stuff like this happens, I like to be pretty transparent about it. And I just want to put this out there, that this situations like this are why there is a 20% restocking fee on the website. And all I'm going to do, if he doesn't want this radio back, you know, he's going to be refunded minus 20%, and then I'm going to offer this radio up for a 20% discount. Yes, it's basically a new radio, but it has been shipped out to a customer, so, you know, it's technically not new anymore. Once it goes out to a customer, it's not a brand new radio. So the ball will be in this gentleman's court, and I don't mean that in a bad way or disrespectful, but obviously the radio is working the way it's intended to work. Yes, he did cover shipping on the way back, but should he decide that he wants this radio back, I will cover shipping back to him for free, out of pocket. I won't charge him a dime to ship it back to him, because there's nothing wrong with it. However, if he doesn't want the radio, he wants a refund, it'll be a refund minus 20%, and then I will offer this radio up for a 20% discount. So that's as fair as I can be. That's it, guys. Uniden 78LTX. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. Nothing wrong with this one. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Questions, comments, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.